you can fix some websites not loading or opening on your Safari browser. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us get started. So the first step is go to your settings, and after you are on your settings, just scroll down till you find apps. After you find apps, just search for Safari. So after you search for Safari, open it up. Now after you're there, scroll all the way down, and after you scroll all the way down, you will see an option called Clear History and Website Data. So just tap on it and make sure that you've selected all history. Now after you've done that, just tap on Clear History and your history will get cleared, including your website data. And after you do that, your Safari should start loading those websites again. So that is a really easy fix, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.